Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, remote power door locks, navigation system, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.